Constant screen time giving you headaches, stiff neck, stiff joints, waist, back pain, or even loose skin because you can't get your workout in place? 3-mode electric guashas can help a little. Turn on each mode as you'd like, charge it overnight, long press this button to see the light of each mode, and this will automatically start vibrating when it comes in contact with your body. Whatever mode you like, you can switch on and start the vibrations, whether it's for underarm loose skin tightening or it's for tech neck relief. Just hold and gently let the tool do what it's supposed to do. For your third eye as well, you can give it a firm press like this. Long press for the third mode to go on, and then use it for a relaxing scalp massage. In case you like a head massage as well after your hair oiling, you can use it for a self-circular massage all over your scalp. Press it on your acupressure points and let the vibrations do the trick. How to clean? Just use a damp cloth or House of Beauty cleaning spray to clean your tool. Yes, you can share it as well. And you can also lift sagging breasts in case used by women. This tool is safe to use by men, women, and for kids. The curvature of this tool is perfect for foot pain relief, calf pain relief, for neck pain relief. It's basically a muscle relaxer. So anytime you want to give yourself a de-stress yourself for a good night's sleep, best use as is or with my mind relaxing kit to add to the benefits. Happy pampering, guys!